Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making beets and apple muffins. So we'll start with the eggs. Okay, so with the mixer, I'm going to add the sugar. And this is organic sugar, and it's only 4 ounces. Now I do the oil. And this is extra light olive oil. Okay, and I will beat the oil. Okay, so I'm all done with the mixing here. Here I have the beet purée. Mix everything together. The beets, I peeled them and cooked them, and I pureed. The chopped apples. I'm gonna add the lemon zest, the vanilla. And now I will start mixing. They don't take long to do these muffins. Now I have here the flour, so I'm gonna start adding the flour. I'll add the baking soda and the baking powder. And I'll mix until everything gets combined. Okay, looks good. Here I have a muffin pan. And I'll start putting the mixture. Actually, I put it so you can see. This recipe, I made them the other day, and you get 9 jumbo muffins. You can double the dose if you want. They are delicious. I want to get everything almost done. And they're ready to go in the oven. I will show them to you when they come out. Okay, the muffins are ready out of the oven. They look beautiful. I'll put them on a rack so they will cool off. And I'll cut it when they cool off and show you the inside. Okay, I'm gonna open one. Beautiful. And I'm gonna taste it for you. Nice, moist, smell good, delicioso. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.